Good. Look at that beauty. The seasoning in it now. No. Yes, sir. Masterpiece. It's a masterpiece, man. It's very beautiful.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need...
What's good, guys? It's your boy DC man in the building. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen, not outside doing it in nightlife right now. Yeah, but as you can see, I'm doing something different now. Today I'm gonna cook curry chicken, Jamaican curry chicken. As you can see, I have ingredients here. Yes, sir. Some Jamaican seasoning, you know. No, we like our seasoning. So, with that said, let's get to it. And remember, if you want to see more dope videos by DC Money, more nightlife, and more vlogging of me in the kitchen, remember to tune into my channel, like, comment, and remember to subscribe if you want to see more dope content. With that said, let's get to it. As the first thing we're gonna do is clean our chicken. You know we like our chicken clean. Yes, make sure it's well prepared. And we're gonna use lime to clean it and also vinegar. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm doing now is cleaning off the chicken, make sure chicken is well cleaned. Alright guys, as you can see, I finished taking off the fat off the chicken. Yeah. Cut the lime and add vinegar on it to finish cleaning the chicken. So tune in for that, guys. It's all around the chicken, you know. Add the vinegar. And that's it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna blend my season. Yes, sir. Masterpiece season. That's okay. Yes. Now, add my seasoning on it. Make sure it's well. On my Jamaican curry, as you can see, I ain't finessing. I'm really authentic. Add a little of the curry on it. Some meat seed. Add some meat seasoning. And now guys, we're gonna mix it all together. All the seasoning, it's very strong. Look at that beauty. Make sure you get it in there. Make sure it's all juiced in, soaked in. Yes, you heard that sound? That's a sound of joy. Making some lovely curry chicken. Get it in there in all of the chicken. Sure it's well seasoned. Alright guys, wow, seasoning is very strong. In the meantime guys, I'm gonna leave this to marinate, and then I'm gonna put on the rice now, white rice. So curry chicken and white rice. Let's go. Make sure it's well clean. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm cleaning my rice. Make sure it's well clean. I have to have clean rice. Alright guys, so now we're gonna cover it and leave it to make it slowly cooked, and I'll update you once everything is all done. So tune in guys. Opening the coconut milk. Alright, now I'm gonna add the chicken. Add some chicken in it. So alright guys, I'm gonna leave this to make it cook for 30 to 35 minutes, and then I'll see how it turns out. So tune in guys. Alright. Sure, it's well good. Look at that beauty. Nice, nice. So I want it to turn up. That. Alright, add it. Adding the seasoning in it now. No. Vegetables. Look at that beauty. Woo! Look at that beauty. So yeah guys, it's almost done. Almost done now. When it's finished, I'm gonna take it off and get my plate ready and get ready to eat, you know. So yeah, so just tune in for that guys. Smells really good.
Let's see how it looks.
So alright guys, this is the finishing product, as you can see. Yes, it's a masterpiece, man. It's very beautiful. Good homemade curry chicken and rice here in the DC Money way. So alright guys, try it out. See how my cooking turns out. Alright guys, so time to test it. Start with the chicken. Should smell good. Some of the rice. Wow. Came out good guys, really good. But it really came out really good. Yeah dog, you dey on point dog. So just remember to tune in to DC Money. Remember to give a like, comment, subscribe if you guys want me to do more cooking video, cause we'll be cooking a lot of stuff, a lot of Jamaican food, and you know, mix it up a little. So just tune in, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Really good. For more dope videos from DC Money. So yeah, and we're out.